Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Beauty is Joy Forever. Today in this video I will show you very trendy and unique ideas about your fingernails. You can design your nails according to your wish and desire. In this video, you can see all the trendy ideas and nail art about almond-shaped nails. If you are almond nail shape lover, then this video is for you. Please watch this video till end to get very beautiful and charming ideas about your nail. If you like my videos, please subscribe my channel and share my videos to your friends. Thank you. In this video, almond nail is very beautifully designed for you. You can see all the nails have very unique art on nails also. In this captivating YouTube video, I present a collection of breathtaking almond nail design that will take your manicure game to the next level. Almond-shaped nails are a trendy and elegant choice, known for their elongating effect on the finger. Join this video as I explore a wide array of captivating design ranging from Chic and minimalistic to vibrant and artistic. In this video, nail artists and nail guidance your thought each designs providing step-by-step instructions, tips and tricks to create these stunning looks at home. By this video, you can discover mesmerizing pattern, captivating color combinations, and exquisite embellishment that will make your nails the center of attraction where you go. Whether you are a nail art looking for fresh inspiration or someone new to the world of the almond nails, then don't miss out on this opportunity to enhance your personal style and express your individuality through your nails. Click my video to watch now and immerse yourself in the enchanting world of almond nail designs. In this video, you can pick all the designs about almond nails and enhance the beauty of your nails. You can adopt all the ideas according to your choice and your events. Thanks for watching my video.